Hey guys, it's Dr. Baird at Evolve Performance Healthcare. Today we're taking it back to junior high gym class and we're going over the wall sit exercise. So the wall sit exercise is a great just lower body strengthening exercise, especially early on in the process when maybe there's still a good amount of pain in our back and our hips and our knees, or we don't quite have the range of motion that we want, but we still want to get that strengthening in. If you know me, that's what it's all about. We got to get stronger. So the wall sit is a great way to begin getting stronger without putting too much stress on the joints. So pretty easy to perform. All you need is a wall. I'm gonna lean up against the wall here. The main question that people have when they perform the exercise is how low do you go? So a little bit hard to tell from this video, but basically it's like you're sitting in a chair where my hips are flexed to 90 degrees, so not kind of up here, but not sinking too low. My thighs nice and parallel to the ground. And again, hard to see, but your shins should be basically like straight up. So you don't want them stepped too far out or too far in. If you were to look in the mirror, the shins should be nice and vertical or perpendicular to the ground. And then the exercise is just what I'm doing here. You can see my face is getting a little bit redder, but it is just sitting on a wall and holding it for as long as you can. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.